Here at Airborne Auto Glass, we specialize in auto glass replacement and repair, from windshields to door glasses in every make and model. Got a rock chip? Give us a call. Need a replacement back glass? We got you covered. It's as easy as picking up the phone and calling one of our friendly and knowledgeable team members. We pride ourselves in offering very competitive pricing at a high level of quality. We offer fast, convenient, and expert auto glass installations. With our lifetime warranty on all workmanship and leaks, making it a stress-free choice. Quality is important. That's why we choose auto glass that meets all safety standards for your vehicle. Choose Airborne Auto Glass and Windshield Repair for your next service.